This is why you're still a poor person. Why do so many people struggle to break free from poverty? It's a tough question, but the truth is, staying poor often isn't just about income. It's about habits, mindsets, and systemic barriers. Let's break it down. One reason is poor financial habits. Many people live paycheck to paycheck, spending more than they earn and relying on credit cards to fill the gap. Without saving or investing, it becomes nearly impossible to build wealth. Small steps like creating a budget, tracking expenses, and saving even a little every month can start to change this. Another big factor? A lack of financial education. Schools rarely teach practical money skills like managing debt, investing, or building credit. Without this knowledge, many people make decisions that keep them stuck. But here's the good news. Resources are more accessible than ever. From online courses to free videos like this one, you can start learning today. Fear also plays a role. Fear of failure, fear of taking risks, and even fear of success. Staying in a comfort zone may feel safe, but it can keep you from pursuing opportunities that lead to growth. Taking calculated risks, like starting a side hustle or investing in yourself, can open doors to financial independence. Let's not ignore systemic barriers. Economic inequality, lack of access to quality education, and discrimination can make it harder for some people to get ahead. These issues require structural changes, but awareness is the first step. Breaking the cycle of poverty isn't easy, but it starts with awareness and action. Shift your mindset, learn financial skills, and take small steps every day. Thanks for watching. If this video inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building a better financial future.